Okay, I have two star lighters. This is another type of video. They are star because I can't get Zippo. They are really expensive, around 190 to 400. This is just 30 bucks. And this is 29 and this is 25. Comes with a beautiful box. I don't understand nothing of it. And it comes with lighter fluid and the lighter and some instructions in Chinese I don't understand. It's blue. Beautiful. And I have this other one, star, with some fluid and the lighter. This is more heavy and fat than this one. So I wanted to show you this, show you that they are awesome collectibles, and if you smoke or not. I really like them. I don't smoke, I think it's dumb, but anyways. Somehow I'm going to get some Zippos and I'll maybe put them on my well, where I put all the stuff I collect. I like the box on this one, it's better than this one. Okay, thank you.